What's happening, y'all? Atkins Fabrication and some. This filter sucks. How y'all doing today? Um, these lights, they like you'll throw like these bars in there. And it seems like so. I try to put a filter on, and no. Anyway, this is the second video for the Scultfun S6 Pro laser engraver. I'm having a problem with the laser firing. It responds to all its commands, and I mean the laser does shoot, but it's not firing and engraving. So with that being said, that's a problem with the laser, it seems to be. But we're getting ready to try it again. We're gonna get it to fire again and do a little something, and we'll take it from there. And if we can't get it to get right this time, I'm gonna have to contact them, Banggood or Scultfun, and somebody's got to do something because the laser just ain't working. So we're gonna get ready to get into it right here. So make sure you stay tuned. All right, y'all. So here's where we're at with this, right? We got this is our grid layout right here, right? And I'll show you. This is one of the ways that you know that it works. So if we hit this right here, that activates the position of the laser, okay? Now, I'm going to show you. If I go over here on this grid, and we're just going to stay right here, right? Now watch the laser when I go and hit that button. Let me see something here. Alright, just watch that laser. You ready? Oh, wait. You see that there? She just glides. Look at that. Back home. Okay? So now, with that being said, we know that the laser is not, I mean, the stepper motors and the processor and all that, we know that that is not the problem. Could it be here? Is there something that I'm not doing right here? Okay? And that's where my ultimate problem comes in. And that's what I'm trying to figure out now. And I'm trying to figure that out over on this. The big screen, baby. It looks like it's hard as hell to see on here, man. Turn that down all the way again. So, yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it, right? And now what I need to figure out is the controlling of it. How the hell, what do I use to control the laser itself in order to get the laser to be stronger? I go to laser tool, right? And when we get the laser tools, we got print and cut, calibrate camera lens, right? So there is none, right? Fisheye lens, standard lens, standard lens. Wait. Fisheye lens. Select. Cancel. Nothing on there. Alright, so we go back up and we look at it. Camera alignment. Yeah. Click the button. Best match here. Yeah. Alright, well, let's see what we got here, huh? Let's see what we ended up with. Just a little test piece, but hey. Look at that. 1, 0, and 2 on a grid. Square with a round grid. Ain't that something, y'all? Not too bad, huh? Let's see, can y'all, damn, I hope y'all got to see that. Damn. That's what it did. You know what? Now that we got you up. Alright, y'all ready for this one? I got a little bit of like stainless steel up in here. Let's see what that can do with some stainless steel, right? And I got the light bright. So, here we go. We're going to see if we can run this back. And try one more time again. Done. 90% done. And we are done. Now, this is like a stainless steel or metal material. Let's see what it did, if it did anything. I don't think it did because it reflects it back. So, with that material, no. But now, let's just say, right, for shits and giggles here, we'll put that there. Alright, y'all, we're gonna fire this bad boy up. Let's see what we got here. Here we go. Damn, too far over. Definitely got it in there some. I think we're gonna have to bump it up to 100 though. I gotta find that again. Oh, I know where it's at. Go up to laser tool, calibrate this way. Oh, why do we got 10%? That's it, baby. And that's in plywood. That's pretty good. Okay. So we like that, right? And done. Now let's see what this one looks like. I turned the speed down on the... Oh, much better. Look at that consistency right there. Oh yeah. I think we're good there, y'all. Huh? What do y'all think? Alright, so we're gonna hit the next one. Okay, use the arrow button to jog into your target pattern is roughly. trying to figure it out. Alright, y'all, so quick little preview. This is the piece that I engraved. I tried doing the Atkins fabrication. Now, I'm getting it to engrave with a good, 30% speed and 100% power. Is giving me a good cut, okay? The problem is getting it to stay. Testing it, I can do. Getting it to stay, well, now that's a whole nother thing. So I'm working on that. Third video coming up soon. We know it's not the laser now. We can use the laser. So, Scultfun, good laser. Nice laser. It's me. I gotta learn how to use it. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? Just gotta learn how to use it, man. Little practice. Oops. Little practice will make perfect. So, thank you for watching. I gotta go do a toilet. I got here a little bit early and chilled out for a second. Now I gotta go do a toilet for my wife and my stepson. Thanks for watching, y'all. Atkins Fabrication and then some. There's my video for the week. I'm out.